Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, I also rise to support this report by the committee. Honorable Speaker, I happen to sit in that particular committee, and I attended all the sittings during the vetting process of Honorable Isaac Ruto and the other nominee. And what came out, Honorable Speaker, is that despite, there is a misconception about people who are actively involved in politics. Many a times the public tends to think that when you are actively involved in matters politics, you lose your professional line. But what came out during the vetting, Honorable Speaker, is that people like Honorable Isaac Ruto are professionals in their own rights. And when given an opportunity in a professional line, they will exercise their duties with utmost commitment, without bias, and with a lot of focus. And Isaac Ruto displayed such personality that is needed, and that vigor that is needed to revamp and to grow the Judicial Service Commission. And with that, Honorable Speaker, it's important for this House to pass them, and that can actually be seen from the overwhelming support that members are actually airing. And for that reason, Honorable Speaker, I support the report. Thank you.
Kawanjiku.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, for giving me this opportunity to support this motion, and I like to support